Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use voice to trigger recognize music on iPhone in iPhone 17 here. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on productivity and finance folder. Now here click on shortcuts apps. Now here search and recognize music. You will see recognize music here, so click on continue. Recognize music is continue. So there is another way of recognizing music. So go to settings. Now here scroll down, click on accessibility. Now here scroll down, click on vocal shortcuts. Now here turn on this button, so add actions, continue, recognize music. So click recognize music, type recognize music. So click on this arrow icon. So say recognize music. Recognize music. Recognize music. Recognize music. So after the process, click on continue. So if you want to check recognize music, you will see recognize music is on. So that's how you can use voice to trigger recognize music in iPhone 17 Air. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.